Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the filters in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the VN. So I'm going to open the VN. So let's open that. Let's click on this, and after clicking on this, I'm going to back. This was the old project. So let's click on the exec directly. So as you can see now, simply you will get the new project. So we have to hit the new project. And after clicking on that, we need to select the video, that which video you want, or which picture you have to choose, that which one you want it. For example, I'm going to add this one. So let's click on this, and after selecting this, we have to hit the next button. So as you can see, the video is important. Now simply what we need to, we have to go scroll down. As you can see, the first option is filter, so we have to click on the filter, and after clicking on the filter, you are going to get a lot of filters, and the filters are also divided into groups. If you want to check out these, you can also do that, like the aesthetic, create, vivid, and expense, fog, line, and moon. You can see all the filters are divided into group wise as well, so you have to choose that which filter you want to use. For example, if you want to use this one, you have to hit this one. As you can see, I've selected this, and after that you need to select the intensity of the filter. For example, I'm going to give this on the 100, or if you want to 26, or what, you have to adjust this as per your need. And after that, simply you need to click on this, and after clicking on this, the filter will be applied like this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, the filter will be applied like this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can apply a filter in VN app. So see you guys in the next video.